What's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. This week we're going to be doing another DIY for the CRV. We got that silver top factory valve cover currently on the CRV, and it's ugly. It's not ideal. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna paint it. But before we paint it, we gotta scuff it down, clean it, and then we gotta primer it, let it dry, wet sand it, and then we can drop some paint. So Mercer has been gracious enough to lend us a valve cover. So I'll be using this one, and then the one that's currently on the CRV, I'll give it to him. So a nice even trade. So as you guys can see, it's a little dirty. First I'm going to spray some brake and parts cleaner, as you guys can see. Spray some of this, clean it up, and then we'll use our Scotch pad to scuff it all down. We're going to mask everything that is not supposed to be painted, like where the coil packs sit, all these little screw areas, everything, you know what I mean? We're going to be doing a proper masking job, then rub it down with rubbing alcohol, and we're going to go you know, lay some primer, some filler primer that Yuri got us, this different brand. So I'm gonna try this one. I don't know if you guys can see that well. See how it goes. This video is gonna be a lot more time-lapse things, like obviously, because I'm not gonna bore you guys with it. And then once I lay the primer and let it dry, because it's apparently it dries within like 10 to 15 minutes, I'm gonna run to Rona and I'm gonna get the color that we're going to be doing, and that kind of would help make you guys understand where I'm going with the direction of the theme for the CRV. I almost let it out right now, but yeah. So I'm gonna put my gloves on, set the camera down, we're gonna start degreasing this and scuffing and doing all that fun stuff. I'm officially sponsored by Maxspeedingrods. I have the link down in my description. Guys, click that link and you go to checkout, you type in Paul 4-door to save yourself 10% on all the site going forward. So you guys want to save on turbos, control arms, coilovers, you guys will save on everything on their website. That's Paul 4-door for 10% off, and the link will be in my description. Alright, boys, let's get started. I know Mercer's already put this through the parts washer, because this is one of those valve covers that he was going to, what do you call it, weld bongs on, dash 10 bongs for catch cans or whatnot. So I know he's already done that, but it doesn't hurt to give it another clean. Alright, boys, now that I have gone with the brake and parts cleaner to degrease it right now, I'm going to start scuffing it with the Scotch pad. It makes a return, the same one that we used on the Prelude blades that we painted the CRV with, so it's going to scuff it up a lot faster. And we're going to clean it down with, you can guess it, our 99% rubbing alcohol, because you don't want to use brake and parts, you might have a reaction after. I've learned that over the many times of failed painting stuff. The thing I feel like I'm gonna have the hardest time is the Honda Motor Co. LTD. This is North American valve cover. Usually the one with the CRV comes with the big Honda, but it doesn't make a big difference. That's gonna be the hardest part I'm gonna have masking, but it's okay. We'll try it. Worst case, I paint it and then I just go with a piece of sandpaper and a block and just, you know, but we'll see. It shouldn't be too bad. I got that fine knife. Just gotta be meticulous with the whole masking and whatnot. So yeah, it's quite a bit of little openings to mask. Yep. Alright, let's get to it. boys, after some time off camera, you got the little clip of when I started masking everything. I have completed the masking on the valve cover. My hands hurt, you know what I mean? They hurt because such fine thing with the knife, you know. I really did my best, you know, to make sure I masked everything. Just these little, the periods and the comma on the co-LTD, the only things I couldn't really mask. I'll just go with the sandpaper after. It's not a big deal. But all the holes and whatnot, everything, even the ones on the side over here, everything has been masked. I'm gonna get a base to put on the floor over here. I don't want to paint on the floor, a piece of cardboard, and then we can start laying our primer. Once I give it a couple coats, let it sit, I'm gonna run to Rona, get the color that I need. It's gonna be sick, guys. You guys are gonna like it. The theme I'm going with, but a little bit different. You'll see. You'll see. So let me set the camera up vertical so that way you guys can see me spraying it. And yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so I just finished spraying the primer. I'm gonna step out, give this time to dry. It's very fast drying, so by the time I get back from Rona, this should all be dry and ready for a wet sand, a quick wet sand. Whoa. And then clean it up with some rubbing alcohol, lay the paint, clear it, let it chill, and then it'll be ready to go onto the CRV. I'm excited to show you guys the color I'm going with. Yeah, so that's going to be the new valve cover for the CRV. I'm probably going to install that at the same time I do the fuel rail. I just ordered the top hats for it that I needed, the extended ones. From previous videos, as you saw, we had a little issue where it was just a little too short. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. Alright boys, I'm back. Went to get the paint. I see I'm in a t-shirt because if you look outside, it's freaking hot as hell now outside. We're in the 20s. It's warmed up. So your boy was cooking in the garage. So I got the paint. You guys ready for this? Bam. What's it called? Hold on. Oh, that's the French part. Gloss Citrus Green. That's what this one's called, Gloss Citrus Green. But it's more on the yellow side, so it blends with the H emblems that I did get for the Prelude rims, the fluorescent yellow ones. So it's my little twist, and if you guys haven't guessed, we're gonna go like spoon theme on the CRV. We're gonna make a spoon CRV, but like, I'm not gonna spend like crazy money buying actual spoon parts for the daily. That's just ridiculous. But we're just gonna go a spoon theme, the color theme, in little bits. You know what I mean? That's the look is what we're gonna go for. Some eBay decals. You know what I mean? Like not authentic stuff, and just go with that. Because man, I love everything spoon. So I figured let's turn the daily into a spoon vehicle as well, and get it looking proper. So I got this. I'm gonna give it a wet sand. You guys can see it's all dried up already. It's been an hour. So I'm gonna give this thing a nice little wet sand, a quick one. Dry it all up. Clean it with the rubbing alcohol. And then we're good, boys. We're good to lay some paint and a touch of clear. I've never used, well, I've used this Krylon paint once. But it got runny on me, and it says no run, so it was a little confusing. So So let's hope for a better result. Maybe it's because I just started caking it so fast. That was a while ago. So let's hope for better results and just go with it. Well, boys, I'm done. I used the rest of that clear coat I had for the rims. I figured that'd be a better clear coat because it's supposed to take more of an impact, and you know what I mean. It's supposed to be stronger because it's on the wheels. Who knows? Clearly got the mask on because it's still the fumes. Gonna open the door to defume the situation. But yeah, guys, what do you think of the color? It's not spoon yellow. It's not supposed to be spoon yellow. I wasn't going for spoon yellow. What I was going for was the same as the emblems on the CRV's rims. And I'm planning on doing the calipers the exact same color, so it pops behind the magnesium blue. But yeah, this is the color I wanted to go. Spoon theme, my little twist, and here we go. I really dig this yellow. It's really nice. It's gonna pop nice with the white fuel rail and everything. So it says dry to touch in 1 hour, even the clear coat, but handle in 3. So maybe in an hour and a half I'll come back. I'll take all the tape, all this tape that's on here, so that way it doesn't peel the paint or anything like that. But yeah, guys, I think I did a pretty good job. There's a couple runs here and there. It's kind of hard not to get runs, but it is what it is. Overall, most of the runs are like it's like 2 or 3. It's on the back side, so you're not going to see them. The front side came out pretty mint. Man, I'm really impressed with this, guys. Look at that. It's gonna look so nice in the engine bay. And then, should I get a carbon Kevlar, like a Password JDM carbon Kevlar coil pack over, or should I just grab the black Garage 16 one that I had and paint it the color of the rims? Let me know what you guys think. Will that look like a sick combo, or with the carbon Kevlar, you know what I mean, like the spoon look? Let me know in the comments, guys. I'd like to know. And whew, gotta get this mask on, get some fresh air. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like and leave a subscribe. And you know what, guys, we'll see you guys in the next one. The next video should be a headlight modification for the CRV. You guys are gonna like this one, I promise you that. So till the next one, guys, Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for tuning in as always. See you guys in the next one. Peace.